Okay, today we're going to do a little flying with the DX2. Here we are, turn it on the drone, you see it beeping. Turn on the transmitter, go up, down. They pair it up, see? Now we're ready to do a little flying. Power it up. You want to do a flip. What you want to do is that little button right there on top, right there, press that. And use the right joystick to flip the direction you want to go. And you'll see it flip. Watch here. Whoa, there we go. See if we can keep it flying here. Oops, crashed it. See it bounce? Let's do it again. Let's see what we can do here. Power up, whoops, try it again. Very easy on the control because it's really sensitive. There we go, ease it up, whoop, whoop, whoop. Slight movement and it really does move. There we go, oops. There we go. Wow, crashed that one, didn't I? Let's try again. Up it goes. I think we lost it. Maybe it landed on top of the ceiling fan. Well, we're in the kitchen here. The lighting's a little better. Let's do a little flying in here. Up, 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 whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, exposed. Here we go. Flip, there we go. Now, see, you auto land it. See this little button right there, that minus button, press that, and it will land it for you. Just let go of that left control and it'll land it. Okay, we'll see you next time. Have a lot of fun.